There is no such thing as away. When we throw anything away, it must go somewhere. So why not just use it? Same goes for the throwaway bio-waste. So in order to address the problem of discarded bio-waste, we worked upon an industrial setup and tested it on DWSIM chemical process simulator. This industrial setup not only discards bio-waste but also makes the best use of it, producing a variety of products such as biocrude, which can be used to create various biofuels, and biomethane, which in turn can generate electricity or can be used as natural gas. In this process, we have used food waste as the primary raw material. The waste is first hydrolyzed and then using different preheater and pressure pump, it is sent to a hydrothermal liquefaction reactor, where it is treated at temperatures ranging from 250 to 350 degrees Celsius and pressures ranging from 5 to 20 megapascal for a resistance time of 10 to 60 minutes, which manifests water crystallized thermal depolymerization that leads to formation of biocrude along with biochar, biogas and aqueous phase. The biogas obtained from here is used to produce fuel gases, and biocrude is further distilled for the manufacturing of biofuel, and the biochar is used as manure. More than 60% product of hydrothermal liquefaction is its aqueous waste, and here we are using it to produce electricity. We send the aqueous waste to a reactor, where it is anaerobically digested using complex microbial communities that break down the waste and produce biomethane. The resulting biomethane is then used to produce commercial amounts of electricity using either combustion engine, fuel cell or gas turbine, and can be used on site or sold onto the electric grid. We processed the data by taking different composition of feed and got different amounts of products from it. The production of biocrude and biomethane varies depending on the temperature conditions of HTL reactor, as shown in these two graphs. As we all know, anaerobic digestion takes at least a month to produce biomethane, but in our method of processing, the aqueous phase is broken down in just a week and biomethane is generated. This technique can be highly efficient in extracting most of the energy from bio-waste, as the current production of fossil fuels is insufficient to respond to the demands and causes global warming. So, bioenergy from bio-waste is an alternative energy source and can be used as renewable energy because the resources are readily available and inexpensive.